to Today on the Green,
the best web show this side of Foothill Boulevard.
Today's Wednesday. What happened today?
Club Rush happened today during lunch.
Really?
Yeah, it was exciting.
During lunch, we went out and asked some of the clubs a few questions.
We're here live from Bonita High School's Club Rush. Let's see what's going on. Hi, we're here with Aviation Club. Can you tell us a little bit about your club?
So the Aviation Club mostly just focuses on aviation.
Yeah, so we're reading like a bunch of different books. We're not focusing on one series, and every couple months, like people who join this club get to choose a book that we will read. All of us will read.
So the main purpose of the club is to kind of combine animal rights and environmentalism together.
All right, so we're here with the Worlds in Arts and Crafts, and let's take a look at the stuff they have on their table. So can you tell us a little bit about this?
It's a 3D origami of a dragon.
Oh, that's so cool. Nathan, can you tell us a little bit about K-Pop Club?
We're going to be learning K-pop dances and reviewing K-pop songs, and we're also going to be teaching others about K-pop groups.
So what we're going to be doing this year is a lot of education for LGBTQ people and their allies. It's also going to be a safe space for them and their allies. And it's just going to help you understand LGBTQ identities, and we're going to go to charities and walks and such. It's going to be a fun time. So come on in if you want to feel welcomed. Woo!
All right, so we're here with the International Thespian Society troupe, which I'm actually a part of. All right, can you tell us about what events might go on this year?
So many things, bro.
We've got a fall play and a spring musical this year.
Our two major events for theater, right? And you can audition for the fall play very soon.
Sure. So we basically try and we will learn how to apply scripture and the Bible to our lives every day to please God in our actions. And we're gonna have a lot of guest speakers, a lot of small group stuff. But we're basically just trying to learn how to please God as a community. That's about all.
So what we do is we watch movies and then we talk about them afterwards. We have the students vote on what movies they want to watch, and then we choose one from the genre.
Awesome, thank you so much. It sounds so interesting. All right, so we're here with Mr. Ritchie. Mr. Ritchie, what club are you a part of?
I'm part of all the clubs here at Bonita High School.
Oh, that seems like it would put a lot on your schedule. Are you okay with that?
I'm a busy man, but it's well worth it.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's what happened today on the Green.
Make sure you tune in tomorrow to see what happened today on the green.
Tomorrow. Bye.